Gonna boy, sack, bueno, 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 sack.
There's all Kabir,
Bondo sack it,
Hindu BA,
bondo sack it,
Ubenum Firafuga,
bondo sack it,
Ubisi Marabe,
bondo sack it,
Ubenum the hotel,
bondo sack it,
Baby Nya Sukar,
bondo sack it.
Ite Zubayaba, Dewele Sukar,
I shared the video about IO leaders. When I say IO, I'm talking all about opposition leaders.
Galurwa Fidubai,
Talawen Fugodele,
there's all Lagatwiza, Tarawe Lujatan,
there's a Toronto. Yabinyaka Monas. Wolo, sack, wolo, sack, wolo, sack. John Fracker, the band of Sack. Today, Mala, South Sudan. Good morning, South Sudanese. How are you guys? Today, Yanatan Mala. People are people and not. What's up? Mango, get your best deal, long a share of the video. That's only one thing I need from you. And I need someone to write anything from anything down there. Millennium Dog. Why that is a galley? Siko. I juice. I know Kusayel Cave. Kasha Kabir. Kalawenu Kafir. Okay, thank you very much. Chandiara, how many people going to watch me? Because I'm Chandiara, how many people watching my life? Because I'm just giving a message. As long as I give a message, whether I'm Kelkwane Daro, I really appreciate that. But Mungo Regaji Wala Kenyam, I'm a fan of my broadcast. For me to have interest more, I need you to help me to share the videos to other people so they can message it down a lot corner. So we see what happened in Juba. We all see what happened. She Dep Tew my charge resigned, and the rest of the guys, and then even the member of political bureau she resigned. She already want to join Garwidwell. She go down and Uncle Garwid. I mean Gondong Garwid. So mukuje kwe jin jirana wala me jin human being and you have sense. Kuromar kwe be jin jirameta bain penyelo all of your people, they are going away from you, and you're still calling yourself that I'm a chairman and the commander in chief in SPLAIO, which is which don't make sense. Ko mi jira an pointu mi jira mange charde ngajeno mi chi ku resign mane cabinet da no kwala tatin dunda point garangan chango ko pai logo long chale la nuare. So defeated any chade la lar boy ko nuare. That's not my point. My point is like this: all opposition leaders can they let can interest. Let interest of their own. To be honest with you, South Sudanese people, all South Sudanese, Nuari and a young man, the rest of 62 tribe, all opposition people, they are working for their interest. They are not working for the interest of the country. Nobody is working for the interest of the country. No one is working for the interest of South Sudanese. What I'm going to do tonight or what I'm going to do today is for South Sudanese people. Nobody will get up for that. Forget it. Because when they hear that there is put that side, when they hear that they come back. Since 2013 until now is still going on. The rest of South Sudanese, because you guys don't see, your eyes is closed and your mindset is so you don't know what you're doing. You cannot see or hear. What you can see, oh, this guy is a leader. Leader make you fuck up for 7 years. What kind of leader is he? Take a leader, one teaching a lead can more than 30 years, can more than 40 years. But the te and kagdi and cha go na we mon. Cha ram go kagdi and we mon. Gadamicha wo beke. Gadamicha wo beke cha nok. Cha nok na. Cha gade cha nok. A changchira na madong room cha wo be cha nok. Let me give you a little example. take a course Somalia, kel me chiko we can't right like 20 years or 25 years, I don't know. Allah Ramadan to week I'm take a Somalia, Aram Kelka tribe, wala take Garam make while a preacher last 3 months, Urabinam we dead of election. Go did it. I want to be Charakarani and a Chirway. Chagorobam we chance, even though this guy is doing the right things. Chagorobam we chance. South Sudanese people, we are giving chance to our leaders to misuse us like a slave. Come on, we don't realize what is going on. Our mind is closed. Our mind is closed because what I know from South Sudanese, all South Sudanese, is sex. That is number one. Use your marriage, a lot of wives, having money, go and take alcohol. That's what we know for. That's what we know for. To be famous, that's what you need to do. Like Baike, oh Ram or Kwermedit, oh Ram or leader. Leader when you don't practice the work of leadership. What kind of leader are you? What is the work of leadership if you are a leader? IO now, SPLA IO, there's a lot of people who resigned from it, including the deputy chairman. The deputy chairman of SPLM IO resigned, joining General Garwidwell. Riek Machar is still calling himself that I'm a SPLA IO member and I'm still a chairman. When the SPLA is divided to two, SPLA SPLA, SPLM, and SPLA of the this one, IG, the government and the rebels. All of them, they are playing South Sudanese mind. That's one thing that you should open your eyes and see what is going on. Because since we start this war in 2013, people are leaving from this side, going from that side. Leaving from this side, going from that side. Like they're playing game about you. Come here, if you think that you are a South Sudanese, that is your country, you're proud to be a South Sudanese, why they're treating you like a second-class citizen in your own country? Why? If these people, they are not doing the interests of white people and the interests of other people that come into South Sudan, why they're doing interests of those people? Because they will get money. And after they get money, they fuck you up with money. And as South Sudanese, what we know for use of South Sudan right now, use, what are you knowing for? Just to go and date girls? You have a lot of girlfriends, that's all the life that you want to live. No, nothing else. When your brother come that I can change the country, could you fuck every single day and you don't care? And you say that I'm going to be a leader. What kind of leader are you going to be in the future? Riek Machar is a man who can be a leader for no people. Riek Machar should resign alone, without anyone pressure him that he SPLA no. Riek Machar can resign alone as a leader who want to be a man who will remember as a leader. Now SPLAIO, let's make this one interesting, because when we go right yam bang, I'm just don't talk yam. Let talk I know what is going on. And I'm not educated. My mind is coming from God. So let me tell you this thing, one thing that you should know in your life. SPLA me corner dark. My chat in me in IGN. 2013 it's right to doing that thing. It's okay. That something is okay. See SPLM chat too. Okay? Tell yourself a daughter ya door. When me chiriang my chargana taban chika fuck up, what happened? They become 3 SPLM. When this guy is called Garame Chalidi, Pagano Langa, one of the secretary of SPLA, Daniel Atagana Remacha, Chaji and Jotedi, become 4 SPLA. Now the Garwidwell is going 6 SPLA or 5. And we are still going that take a SPLA. SPLA is fucking up South Sudan, all of it. SPLA only. Tell them and you know what make it interesting? Because we are claiming that SPLA will bring change when SPLA is still in leader. SPLA must be changed like a human being. Think like a human. You're not an animal, okay? SPLA must be changed when 5 SPLA they're in the country. They're in leadership. Come with the corner. Oh, we have hope for SPLA. SPLA will change this one. Ring my chart is SPLA, Sulfur is SPLA. All of them they're SPLA and they still. Biakula ngajeno miteke un mudin mengengit. General Garwid will ngajengwak. Sianen chelele form SPLA walangu. Chelele jelo wujene ring my chart SPLA. This is a mindset of man would like Chereno. Ajan Charwood. And instead to run away that I have my movement, he said that you're not going to be my leader. And that's the word that you can do to people. And instead running away like a coward. Garwe Chengoy Kerry told no Jin former SPLA chairman. You are not our chairman. He told him like that, which is a word that the man can speak to another man. Mite wun mukuingwag. And instead, Riek Machar is feeling proud of himself. He's feeling proud of himself and honesty. Then they cannot do anything to me right now. They're leaving me everything. But you could have gonna check the Ganara what will happen. Because the rest of people are continuing mad kwena. Ketokona Chayan Dep and Chayan Pinyering Machar. They cannot go anywhere. Jin point to me a Jin human being. If you want to think like a human being, you should know that South Sudan is from General Salva Kiir Mayardit, the president of South Sudan, to the baron of South Sudan. They're playing South Sudanese use. And for us, in the future, we are not going to be anybody. We are going to be nothing. The only person that will be Ran South Sudan so that by even though you're more educated than anything, Garmar blood in the Ugandan will be better than you working chapati, even though he is carrying degree in his head. Tetana to South Sudanese now, they believe that education can change everything. For me, I believe that education can change things, right? But education, me telling you, there's nothing. Education, me telling you, there's nothing. Riek Machar is a PhD holder. Because mindset, they take a problem inside there. You see what it's doing? It's messing up South Sudan. January chakadak, mad for the next 100 years to come. Nuari bi jaldak lane. Tell nuari right nuari maling. Because angatu Riek Machar nuari no wala jale kel. Kamut kel. Tell ramala na nyu no ware nuari mo loy kon ka story om nuari. Pala story chaban chagwa me chage tar jalde je kai. Let's go back in the beginning. Ni me ba kon ka garden of Eden and gwanda ondan chukula bantu ogre biakula ngaje no lakone jel kel wala kone jel daglane. We have to think big than to think young. Go to Bichala Ramadi to Bichala Ramatot. To Bichala Lagan Motor, Cherry La Wounded. Go wounded to do a can you call a Charak and Lagat, Gatil and Wanek and Lolel can Charla wounded. You took on a Cap South Sudan, no one can work when a man and one no one a man dab and a guy, Pintani and Quiltani and Nanga, they don't care about what is going on. And he's calling himself that I'm a leader. Like Jenny and Chenek, taking a gang to one can check their wound, Big Jenny and Chenek, but the Richugni we're one where we're mong, Palara a quarter. When door is messed up. What kind of leader are you? You Chirokon, you know what kind of leader and in my home is messed up. Chirokon TG leader ngadian. Jin Chirokon maron. Ramichi and the check cab a barrel. Kuelo goro when Nuari we roll. Nuari take a mental problem to deal with. Terry Lena Alano Walco is still I'm going to say that word. 90% of Nuari, 10% they are good, 90% of Nuari, they are mental problems. Take a muton materating in the dian. Lokon alaring and Nunan Ching. Their door, to be honest with you, Ching. Because telling me de la Nakanijinichang, telling me de slave Nichang, and Yan Materigari. Alexandra made a Yan to win Monte Cup because the Yan is 23 years old. To win Mont Kelly Cup as a young man. A Yan, you know, what they call Yan. Yen be a Yan come with a Kayan slave. Be a Yan come with a Yendo. Be a Yan Kayan wood, begin winners on social media every day. Manuari Kaira could get a Turkian. A Jan Yan Dalar Nagan Nagaja. Ching Yan your door. A door, telling me the thing to be honest. Ramming la nanga door bagulo, Gawunmo word along Cochanang. Begin a word the water, I didn't want Nana. Cheragaria la larga, Gary, my char Pananikin, Echine, Jonon Jine, Nangarga, do, ring my charamo, Loireka, don't make what you know Sudan quite. Where are Jalab? Where are Kado? Lunya Reka Jalab, Lunya Reka Mal. Where are Ka, where are Kado? Lunya Reka Garang, Lunya Reka Mal. Where are Kastelpa, where are Kado? Lunya Reka Selpa, Lunya Reka Mal. What kind of leader is he? A quarter. Medela Longre, but defender, where are Chad defender Berejon? Jinko, what kind of leader is Riek Machar? God, you have to think big. Nuari, you have to open your eyes and think bigger. And stay to think younger. Which one we are in 21st century? People, the world is growing. It's not like we want to learn and penya. We want penya and one technology is coming. And ngala ger terbilo wala ngala roi ke mobile on ngala walk life. Facebook me chanung na ne mete beke and Facebook tell a live video. But now Facebook is devolving. Tell a live video, something like that. There is a lot of things that coming on in Facebook. A lot of things. A lot of technology is developed. But South Sudan, we could develop me. Me, the leader, to get me. South Sudan. They're calling themselves that we are the leader of South Sudanese people. What kind of which South Sudan? Michigan South Sudan fucked up. A South Sudanese citizen today, a second class citizen in his own country. And I'm in more Changaji like Chan. Changaji Lochi citizen no way that. Uganda allow $500 by Jong Niger. Bayukula yen get the Jinjin got South Sudan, can we do? Got them Palgagora, got Mogwana Kuar. Got China reality to took one can cool a new Korka South Sudan because that country can be a country. There are no people. Got China South Sudan, Lura and Gatijin, Yang and Gatijin. Real South Sudanese used to call it South Sudan, take on the chip and allow Quill Moon. They're not coming like that because they like it. They're coming like that because it's the situation. Situation, Takanango, Begat Qual, Begana Neck, Begat Madu Kwang, Begat Jaluchar, situation on the taken thing of South Sudan. Because nobody cared about them, nobody gave a damn about them. Leader of South Sudan, they don't give a damn. They don't care. When their father fought for that country, their fathers, Mikan Guanikin, Riakan Machar and Selva and the rest of the leaders, Telemadakan and Nungra South Sudan. But because their fathers fight for that country, and then now we have South Sudan. Kangaka, Wike, and Yang Macharam is Wike. Ganware deal take on, they took Yang Machar, it's our Quera, Joy Juba. They call him in Kajang, Chicken Tanya and Monacan, Changa Juba, Tatania and Camne, Ring Machar and Yura, State out million get chicken. He don't give a damn. Chicken Tanya and Murka Yunis, he don't give a damn. The guy is not your leader. Can't worry, they're still barking like a dog, following Ring Machar. What kind? Who are you, Yenka Yangari and Ware? Ramamo the Chunina, a leader and Adian, Jinmi Jin Kuar, Mary Charakarwadu, Changchi Jin Kuar, Kitchaka Long. Medina Longaje, Chim Mordego Modela, no talking of a chaman, Laran, Kirga Tabangan Runa and go pin the lip, Baracolo Gurguan Yuratin, Bunana Bank, a Pankere Unimis, Kogate or lip in their own country. It's a Rianga chatting, Mugorga. Who ring my chatting? Erianga. Eriang Machia met. Let me tell you, Ring my char, maybe a region whoop, Chaiway take a Kumataka Chikut, Kakine take on Kojenta Gor. But you with weather. Coach Agor Chalat internet weather even the Aldam Gachanga, bring my charge job in the Binyal Dam Gachanga, Binyal Dam Balaro Kunga, technology like more than other people. Kunga, only you guys lie is not enough. Chanamodu Diantana Gor. Nuare Kwa Wangdun Kwa Lepgari, Kwa Kor, Karodun Kwa Kwa Nir Karodun Kwa young people, young leaders, Nyunkun Kwa forward. We do not talk about which other young my child. The guy is 70 or how many years old, I don't know. He's going to die very soon. Develop a young leader. Nanga got motor and young Nanga in the Altumbo open a Laramabi, you could all year. Otherwise, be any chan down for the 100 years. No gain or Logan. Be any chanting down for the 100 years. Because Janga I don't know where we can fuck these people up. Chicken way, chicken and Malarke, it's a pull a jig. Pull my wala pull muka something like that. It's a pull a kujik. Jang chicken pull nuare point yen chicken a kujik and jang pull nuare and quar nuare chicken quar. Canadian non the myth. Tana muke yo a myth. Chicken a jack can pull nuare jack. Chicken a go to no nuare in a banaco lad. Bika lad con. Be a wang nick and it's young. Be a run nick and it's young. Chicken mummer chop cockon. A jinikan can a jack. They will make you a slave of South Sudan. Ko jang ramadwal ke ka South Sudan ko awun mi chwalo no ko nge jera mo chi ramade yak atache yak da ku ngaje no ne timi tikano ku logo ba ko kum like the rest tribe a lobe ka be normal e ka destroy be you could destroy ke mentally ke physically moja kwar kun yo lingano kwar bane jen jonjo tiba ngu ku la ke kwar ka cha kok ne nial cha duwe jen ku la lingi e ko no guru nial e tar ne me tiage. Something that there is a book that say that take a milalarke na women like something boom me right, you know. If you want a wife, like okay, me go to check while I go to ran, me go to betoy karan. A general canning in there can't go on cham, it's either longer to a general cham nyal, move a cham, pinya bear come freely. People say like that. That's what young lel can take on. They cham can you nyal, but can you cham, can you destroy complete? Pinduna mabadak elu. because they know what kind of leaders still gonna take nuare tika ngani nuare ka ngani tikan nuare ngani ka tuk de menete tikan ngani no gwa tikan kon LinkedIn bi garingtin la jo kana te nuare mengen ka chi dare bot bodo tibere nuare kana ti dialo tone kana kona ba ya kon go nyuno Sudan kaje te go nuare mbru tel nuare mbru juno Sudan mu ka nuare tikan another leader tikan develop ngod widien ka wurma choler yang machar Koreak janon chayu ban pinya leader ringing kete kokien mi wun mu tok panya la je ngani en wun mu kuarnat they resigned and no de banye pin they resigned na joku anang SPLA is enough to talk then because chi wuri chwari self che bangal we ka by president but lieptin for a little time ka you to go to South Sudan and the guy is already rich un gor kana because kon nuaring dan chaga ka wang dan cha par sure riang machar ka wang dan cha par crime ngai malalar ke evils jek wang nuari che tiang jek ngin nuari che tiang ke liak loy nuari tiang di lodge to be honest with you to rock and the rain nuara mi jini chege ke take a machine kwala scan nuari di jek 90% of nuari te kenna ramkel ngide de gwa imagining to be a president of South Sudan de chucholo kwer ke de mdin kabe he can do whatever he want tala ramkel mdi merjog mu would michuma wala ka junu Sudan de jog if I become a president of South Sudan for the next 20 years janena plan I want South Sudan to be like this and we carry can self can represent ka South Sudanese people that in the next 20 years we need South Sudan to be like this and we can represent because SPLA is playing you seen man wala ngoda be ingar SPLA is playing people. Now let's come to the point. Opposition leaders to take a part in it. They are all in their interest. They depend from SPLA to another party to his own party. Garkel wuri chala boy dakena malong ne di go me jin gun mukungwanga di malong awan di go malong awan mengi jera men na ka juba a chang jam mo 10,000 or 20 million dollar di malong di go jin ramenge ji jara me da ne kunore fa ka juba jara me nang na jara me la ka kwa tu ponye di o go re take leadership ba no malong awan ejin jo SPLA is playing you leadership akulu no nga net gen from here you coming inside go outside come inside go outside come inside a leadership ngadian what kind of leadership a leadership ngadian kulip kake maybe can young people you don't chia gan moto chia no be devolve over kula one yan January be atel kuar be atel leader to be honest with you be atel leader korea che chamote ko kuno to point re ma chata lo kuno to point de ka telo kun mo je spirit te kan yan be de amela be ler January o jen take a weather me anung na me la check ka wai ke technology dunda be jogo no ni alde dem ke gwam according to the weather then January believe wala wura mo te ko lade tell a young my child young my child use more than 30 years there is more years to come will be used because your mindset has been controlled ngima la ke kwa no go to control room ala mite weji makab ko kwa te do makab ko kwa karabe che wang la wa go no control ko ba ko switch up ko bene begwa ma be ko la kan nuore makanian control lun makanian switch up kanian ne go no where young my child mentally che nang tell a no brother change in the future. Condial Billa Bonaran ke interest ngan Saba David work interest, the Ngag Ben ke interest, the Mungo Ben interest, the Kukolo work on Madano because you guichary joke, be young tuber made to young 1 million, I young 2 million. Vilaro Akajan would talk on the channel Kukor, then we follow. Chiplana corner back on the Altica destroy, and that's what Dinka has been doing for centuries until now. Kaya Yanuara, for centuries, since 2000 until now. Can't let the Kaya Yanuara. Say a deck mentally, say a deck neither dun, Changaja know who are you, Kayan Gane Malalarka Malaki, Yanuaritarian Mugamla Yana Alarm, day in a low career, Kunda and Maria and Malara Jadua. Would Nuarequa Nualara Jede, like you, she thought that it's she thought. Ranmita thought, young chicken, thought complete. Can imagine all these people, Janan and Guardian, a young Pullian, our me pull a jack, to pull Lunja jack. More can if we are not going to change and develop ourselves. Brother lel kon wari chaka chu ya ke kai ken liak ka tin chan kan ni je ya kai ken liak ke te kon chro de lele we are the pastors ka chi ke tiang ke kai ni ke liak ke te chro de lele ke kon anon tang ke chi ke tiang ke kai ni ke liak kai je na bu nuar tuk la lar ke je bible ke cha lar nuar bo ye nuar ye na lar wa men bi ne be tong ni jin kwa men pen ni nda tu tok tar ni jin man bi nuar destroy ke Junuba Sudan to go ye nuar man bi nuar yar ke Junuba Sudan to go na kon man bi nuar ja ko be ka no people in South Sudan bi to go na kon wa jin be tar jego ka jin bi wi jego ngai tar ni jin ke ngai gure ni jin yene tuga ka yene bi tuk toga ya karodun titi kene ti kibira wir sake telemata ga e mi jini bu ko wara kene ti widian chatok telemi be kana let ke young people kantona ga nuore ga jane ka weno dol goro tanen playing for NBA tanen playing for Australian football American football basketball and ga nuore ti they are just in the street mat kana ko angor kan nyer you see a game jani na mit bukulo longa jirama kumar char as a normal human being a game is bo longa ramichi destroy from the top bikulo kula long pinyi ka jin biya gwe pin gwata rambi rit ko nuar kana jema lanka ko na jang na riet kel mugo amila link ko na jang minga jang nuar kana jang michi rom ko one neighborhood jang da jiende their neighbors dialo to there kan ngach they ro introduce keke there kan ngai they let go lad nuar duele libe e banga ben ngach ko goro ba leader banga ben ngai duel ko ci goro we wrote introducing be benera ambro ko be introduce ke jang jien che win mon che ngai me kwa destroy jang ka wai point de ngu me jang me jago wo nuari ko kwa destroy ka wai cho cha je no ci jang wo kan tin ne ten ku yene yer ken wi ke ji nyone de ko la kam kwar de lian wona ngun tetet ka wai me ditin wo ci abi cho bu ko ngai ke yeno chala ko no trouble makers con nuare go chala con trouble makers ka con nei tila gag la con atuk kai ke jin bo chi kai karado temala lar ke wa mi chai chul duor lo cho wono pondo awala do the pondo mi tera mi choli e jino duenya ma de ne jala duen chenkel ngai no duen ke chi duen yen nuare mi ke yen trouble makers or chi ke yen trouble makers you guys become a trouble makers because go achi wunu nuare ku nen tika ku mat mika badek ere duelo mo cha daga pinya telegak wunu nuare dam badek te re duel cha daga pinya telegak kami ji man nuare wal kel ti jeg duel kel cha daga pinya tele guer mo we chawdo ku yo chen yen troublemakers con rik jel ko ne la gena alade ite ronyal mo natin you guys you have to look twice me so Sudan ya nyan do ronyal ma chi me bia long you have to think again twice again oh na rambo ronyal an chan bo rambo ronyal you're not going because you want to lade re doaro kan de bi penwo men bi penwo awa men bi neck it's coming from you Jesus the jane chi men chamichi jan bi lueng mo kan jo ma kwang chi jalada bad ma lad Jesus the chi men chami jan bi lueng man bara to do no be no riek tong no re jan no riek to de na jan ko roja kon cha kon ya ga jang chi kon do mo long o bane long marodan jak normal people we told Dinka people be a channel let Kel and South Sudan move forward that's the only way that Junuba Sudan will move forward come wa bani yen bo la kwar Junuba Sudan the country will still fucked up one of the jang kware because chi yara bu long ruj ko mi chi kon ku long na community dan ku ruj bano long na country ku ruj letting a community no ri jatin community Australia America Africa Europe Asia a community no na metetena cha daglani kon no ri kene what they do what they know just over chuka badla gare did bo gwa ba cholo kwar community the title no ri they are carrying the title without work title karade nuare mugoro baro dan change chana lunga community dan ban ya leka chana yen bere tight community dan yen ka mu ogwa mana kulo nyawara wayen goren yal jawa chi yana lara nuar bonde le yana lara to ko ma to bu kulo ko man diga ko yelo to ne ko so Sudan community ngode jeg ba lelde what will happen ku ko lo tung ne ka so Sudan kuare ka community ngode je jeg ba ko lelde ko community mi be ga nuare ka ga western world me ga no community cheling community de ko le lengo community me de lengo community mi jeg ka ga mi jeg ke ji jin mi gwa ke ji anything we want me to we are free to do whatever we want. We are free, or they're on the right thing. They're going to choose. If you're choosing the wrong thing today, you could choose blame yourself. Michi gadu jegin chega kwa jin wudu you could choose blame. Yeah, kota kana jin toga. To corner marulo jong me dabi. Kurungale pi the nyok pi the jagat. bi je take a mistake to choba dak to la da daro kan de gadu ya lu ni jok tala mi bo ke mistake tala bo kuji e jine to tare che kulo wolle ala mi ci dor ci palo che let out of your hand che jien teredu ko gad mi ci jien ko teredu bi jutel control dunde. That's what happened. Riek Machar ci ko nuori ci ko le long control ko control ko on point de Riek Machar ko en ni man video la de tene ti ku Riek Machar ngode ku kan support ni tene kan Riek Machar te mun le de chala arke live video ne ko te chon wal ci jo Riek Machar gar gwar ko nyimar ma kan ne chub dorun tele rame ne nek dorun. You will not know Riek Machar who is Riek Machar. Ci Riek Machar ye ba ngaji nga Riek Machar te ngo ku chub duelun abe ben mong no doru abe ran ku neng no dorun. From there you will know who is Riek Machar. Bit kala ne ko ngaji no this guy is dangerous. A British kawai me tugo na British me ko ro da might maybe kulo take a choda no a white community akwa mat ke 16 BC ajen mi chere kana mona ngin min nage na ga pin ku ga la bana le tenye le to bor ga nyal ka duwe gwa mi ci ka dak. They have nothing. That's what is going on in Nuer society right now. Nuer, they have nothing. Me go ran sabado ro de jela ko I have to go to jury. Go about a jury but other kulo jela ko ba kulo bere Nuer be kana kulo badlaw. Riwdun yal ngaj kene chan kanye rero. Me go ro breje la ko Nuer. Jiani wore re jury. Ko lunjok. Be Nuer ku jikula badlaw bu kulo ko Nuer. Chuto gi ko re Nuer gad gwar kwa nyimar. Forget it. Tele kwar to re Nuer ko men nyama biling be de jina kwar ne jin me jiyaga mo. De jina kwar ne ka kana gwar. De take a night want to chip Benela Kings win more Alexandra beben gwar me jikulo chop but to gwar ne ke languages. To gwar ke languages Alexandra la kwar media and Persia. La kwar Greek kwar Greek. Alexandra me win more check on Cabane and Alexander the Great. Makula alingi it take me chola Alexander the Great 23 years old guy. Kind of got along, but he become a king of the world. Empire, the win one get to take control. I didn't take that. Kakana got along, but near they did it to read it. I didn't get no empire be control. Oh, be God, oh, be media and Persia, be what and Alexander the Great. No one get they done it to read it. Come about Lebandega Rome, get your cook and Alexander is a belu. Go every morning, I tell me, Chijinaga, man, be neck talk Taranijin, Alexandra, Major Banoka, Kalir, Kana Kwang. Kojen che power everything che ga gan mutot che yo ka ler gan kwang che Alexander the Great che liu ga kan ka kwang kana ler men te you liu ga je cha country de cha divide for general amene me Rome be kwar ko la bantu Rome be Greek be chu ban destroy alati di alta tugi o be dor ji entre de tuk tar ne jin yen ne te ko ne yen te gad go te chi go back in your life ni me da bi je ga do nge te mistake ni ti lan mi ti ga dio ko ngwan. Those are the mistakes. Tichika do jawara January chana nyolo ikamanchi community dan chi tolo wala my point is manchi community dan chi tolo manchi community nuare chi yar chana lo itene nyok gare chana del gwech no angumi yer community nuare de awo kon go yo kamata kon go yo dera wo chiko ne kon de chiko ro dan lut chana lut chana kamrar dera wo to kon kliak chana ko control liak dera wo kon ji kaine chana ka chana ko wo. Let's go back in our community and see. Angumi die ko kon dor me chwan nuor me chiko ro dan long ko ke je nuor population ne ndide ne bangwa lo ne ka million ti akwaje ne lo ne ka 100 ne be chere ka population 100,000 the rest of tribe in South Sudan palo la kon wo be kon 2 million or 5 million in South Sudan never be a lo pin ko ba e doi ke pin ai doi pin lo chano lo jog re te ke dan kon nuore wana char nyok mar ro de gagdo le chankel din che kwa wood whatever country it is. Charo do no angumi jiakanga mandana de lungaka community. Try to see. Ne di almwako char normal. Wako no nyurkel. We will change something in our community. Bana door bana gere community dan. What I'm saying is kon nuare mi kon Junuba Sudan mi kon right ka chiang mo go den wene jen. But Junuba Sudan kon burwaje tele door mi chwal jam ten. Kor enyen ko kon chi kor jane kana nuare. But jang chi ka advantage dun chi kana jek. Kor enyen ko kon a mutual political interest war. To be honest with you, Kor take Junuba Sudan a mutual political interest war. And Iran go an interest and then Muanga Chola Juberun if I become minister, I will go. Because if I get the minister, I will get the money. I'll get the cash coming. I'll get the fame that I need. I will get the respect that I need. So again dan take South Sudan nothing. Tell that me waka come ira mo banale de ke no. Forget it. Ko ramla na ka junub ngay yan kon take rar. Ramla na ka junub ramla na ramjang na yubi bikan ko ti nyure baran ko je ke yo. Aja la dan take junub. Jigran ka yo ke 10 years. Kami ji jo 10 years ja ji ka yo ga yang chi ta tal me ta cham na ga ji de. Aja dan take South Sudanese all of them. South Sudanจะdevolve. LMB come Chinese people don't allow in the country. Tomorrow, I'm quite be Benala next South Sudan, young quite a bit rigged one, rigged to bed did Bagaja. Quite a bit next South Sudan. Kotia Quaka South Sudan, a woman jolly silver kid and ring a channel can tarry a neighbor. Rambu Benajaramata. So this is the political war. It's not only about Nuer and Dinka, to be honest with you. A political war, but political war to make it so interesting. Nuer and Dinka, because they are the leading tribe in South Sudan, Chaka involved inside. So the one take a young material, tell Munga Jenije, Mua Joga Bendida no Nuara Machadamor, and Nakalam Beling. Ben Nuara Bakana coach I yoga quarter. Take a gun Nuara Matanere, Chimutalamanga Jamu, young Macha more and Nakalamanga, but Ben by young Beban, a gen mindset, a child, we got Nuara at a reaching. So Chidorje Chudako, Janka and Nuare, come a Janka and Nuare, Moodian a Jalkelo, Moodian a Monkelo. So let's try to think again. China SPLA, China, go to no image South Sudan, Baranage 2011 until now, SPLA, SPLM, they're the people to could destroy South Sudan. SPLA are darker DH. Major Kaja, which are go, Bijak are darker DH. Naidan DH, talk to go to interest, Nikan Candia. Nedan the can the Algorcan interest Niken. Ring my charge, were interest there. A by president Major and South Sudan, a by president wouldn't ring my charter in Durgo. A by president of South Sudan. Actually, first a by president can't tell a five by president. Chawuch, ring my charge, or your by president. No, the by president. No ever forget about ring my charge to be your president. Hallelujah. Go around Ramadan. God Tiana can turn to go to Kaka Juba. God the other Tiana, God Tiana Karar. Wouldn't Chola Garway duel, I really appreciate one on a wouldn't take a point. Can I read yoga SPLA and any chapel you are or the poor SPLA don't take your gun my chari Kojin Kujumaga? You are the former chairman of SPLA, which is the man which is what the man can speak to another man. Then the wood la wood again. You know, and instead of all Pumno or Gadamar. Alangan datu, didn't you let him with a laquara kuyor SPLA te golo. Which is good. Kajan Edan and Nate Con Teleno Tabani Bere with interest there. He would actually a Pagana Langa, Ramkel can Romete SPLA. So Metal no bugger interest Nicky and Can. Chicken Edgy and Karian Macha, they won't hear my child. They watch a bomb. Kongan Noir or Charling and Quarkat. Kacha ride the Charling a dinner, burn Kula Quarang Adian welcome. Rema Charmy are ride the Chanyana dinner, Charling a ride the dinner political, but Kula Quarang. Quartiaga along. Guamo Baban Ye and Digital Maling. So me go kono Bijuba Sudan Bagua. Let's work together. But you are here than a chapali Larry Chopper, you know, Jin Lunere Kuluno Charo Duguano. What is wrong with me in our community? And then you will get what is wrong with you. So thank you very much. Kayane to call it live video that she attend wala. Channel back live because I'm so busy. I can let the one there. But I will try to be live every day. Bamo jata mo beset and mobile back live kaje. Mango kaji share the page to other people. Channel page channel and got 10,000 followers. Already 7,000. Channel and got 10,000. And then Irun Baba right don't use in South Sudan. Angumu tuwaka ke goro tana beja la de English betan la tong no English de chagwa ba din tong no da ba ka chagwa ba kendi I don't know. So men dinin channel lo duelan channel o char channel ego jeno angumu je ko kon kwandor me chwan no. From there bukwaro ko bakal lo yen the last word not the least ala yen de kon je kaine to choro duna unknown tongue. Kuyana la talk kayene ti dek Junuba Sudan too kayene to kon dek win me jala South Sudan too. So kon wore chana char agwa chana le nomo chana ben la one people kut batekel go kon mo kon ben la ne to go mo kon la ne dun kon ya otherwise because what ke chan chere ke malakona bakon with social media every single day. because to let on the day back actions when it can than talking. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and see you in the next video. Peace.